Wow.
What do you think?
Look at this.
I don't want to talk. Salut, my name is Alex. Today I am in Flushing. It's early in the morning, it's 8 a.m. And my mission today is to recreate a super popular food, soup dumplings. Ellen,
Yes.
how are you?
Good, Alex. Good to see you.
You're ready to teach me some stuff.
All right, let's start. Pork soup dumpling dough. I use hot water and cold water.
How long do you need to knead this for?
About 10 minutes.
I have a scale. Can I weigh one?
You weigh 1.6 ounces.
Oh,
see?
wow. You're like a living scale.
Now, we're ready to make the wrappers. You want to make very thin, paper thin around the edge. Later on, you're going to make a lot of pleats. This is ground pork mixed with the seasonings.
Okay.
At the end, then mix with the powdered gelatin made gel.
Okay, so first you make gelatin and then you ground it into pieces or
Yes,
what?
you boil on the stove for 3 hours.
I only have 6 hours to remake it. So how can I do this without cheating?
Next time you come a little early.
Ah!
As you can see, I curved my fingers on purpose. Make a little bit like a
Oh,
cradle.
yeah, like a spoon. Oh, you put loads of stuffing in the center.
You start to make the pleats, one over the other, one over the other, and don't forget to count how many.
17, 18, 19, 20, 21, no?
Yeah, 21. From 18 to 21 pleats.
And then you pinch and you rip off. Wow, look at this, guys. Look at the beauty of this.
They're cutie little baby.
Right, the next step, let's steam them. So once you have cooked them and once they are in the bamboo steamers, how do you know if they are cooked right?
You time it. You time like 7 minutes. If
It's
you
the best
don't have
answer
the
in the
time,
world. You use a f***ing timer, Alex.
You did very well. See, nothing's dripping.
I can say this with confidence. This is the best soup dumpling I've ever had. Thank you so much. I'm gonna do my best to recreate this.
Okay.
I've got 6 hours to make this.
Uh-huh.
You're gonna come afterwards?
Yes.
The game is on. Bad news, traffic was really crappy. And I've got 5 hours left. It's time to get the recipe going. I need to start with the gelatin first. I'm supposed to let it chill slowly, like at room temperature, but I don't have time for this. So basically what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna chill it super fast using an ice bath. I hope things are gonna turn okay. Perfect, so I've got 3 cups of flour right there, to which I'm gonna add half a cup of boiling water, but gradually, and then half a cup of cold water, again, gradually. So obviously I'm working against the clock on this. But with dough, I don't know, there are things you can't skip. Okay, the kneading seems to be okay for me at the moment. So now let's talk about stuffings. Helen told me about the basic ingredients that I need to find in this mix. Ground pork, scallions, ginger, rice wine, oyster sauce, soy sauce, salt, and pepper. We'll taste and adjust. I think it just needs more salt at the moment. So I got the mix where I want it to be. I'm just gonna wrap it up, put it in the fridge, and then I'll add the gelatin. Okay, I just got the gelatin out of the fridge. It has set nicely. It's f***ing solid. It's like that thing, that ballistic gel when you shoot into it. Okay. If it doesn't work as a gelatin for the dumplings, I can always wear this, as a bulletproof jacket, maybe. Guys, we get something important right there. I've got plenty juices in there. That just means one thing, it's working. Wow. It's savory. It's like sapid. No, sapid is not a word. Let's switch for another one. It's like a rich broth that I'm tasting at the moment. It's super good. C'est très bon. So that's good. That's one thing that's done. I still get to master the trickiest part of that recipe, which I think is the folding, those little tiny even pleats, 20. I need to make 20 of them for one dumpling. Let's do this. I should only be flattening the edge of those discs. Flat or strong, turn. This turns out to be slightly more complicated than I thought. I was really focused on the pleats. Well, you can't forget about this as well. I'm starting to get the hang of it. And yet I need to remind myself that the trickiest part is still to come. So I'm gonna use this dough ball to practice, my pleats. Make a spoon with the hand and then place it in the center. It's not good enough, it's not good enough, it's not good enough. This is not good enough, madam! That might be boring as a YouTuber if I were just always satisfied with myself. Oh, this is just good enough. Well, let's do a dumpling like that's good enough. No, that's not how I operate. My mind just doesn't work like this. I'm forever unsatisfied. Say, we're getting somewhere. This is clearly far from being perfect. It has 14 pleats instead of 20. They are not perfectly even, but this is starting to look like a dumpling-ish. Yes. I've got exactly 15 minutes left. You know what, before I serve Helen and just get my final judgment, I want to make myself a serving, a real, dumpling serving and see where I stand in all this. How can I be so excited and so nervous at the same time? It's definitely harder with the soft stuffing inside. The dough on top is getting thinner and thinner. Kind of works. Can probably do a bit better. I've got my first serving. It's steaming at the moment. We are just a few minutes before Helen's comes in. This is exciting. Ooh. Oh. This one is so full of juices. I can see that. This one is on the edge of collapsing, but that's good. Just slightly on the edge, it's always good. Please, please work. Please. Shut the f*** up!
Maybe they're honking for you.
Maybe they're honking for me, but I'm trying to have a moment, and New York City keeps honking me. I mean, flavor-wise, I think it's close. It's close. Juice-wise, I think her had just a tad more juices. Okay, I heard somebody knocking. Helen,
hey.
How are you? Come on in.
Good to
Come on
see
in.
you.
Come on in.
Hey.
Welcome to the kitchen, Helen. What do you think so far?
So far, so good. Yeah.
Okay.
Kind of like small, but it's a bite size.
Okay, it's a bit small. I'm gonna try to make the three last a bit bigger.
Yeah, for yourself, it's okay. If you want to sell this, you may want to sell cheaper. Not for the same price. All your strength should be on the fingertip, not on your lips as well.
What am I doing with my lips?
I can see you use your lips like this when you make each pleat. Yeah.
I'm trying to get some energy from my lips, maybe. What do you think?
That's okay.
Okay, let's cook them. Now, what is the most common problem that I could be facing?
The one is open up, it's broken, the wrappers,
okay, they might
all
wrap.
the juice will come out, or
Okay.
turn flat.
So this is the main problem?
Yes, there is one especially.
Okay.
Wow,
What do you think?
look at this.
This one is plump.
This is the best one here.
This is the best one. This is the one you're gonna have, okay? So the way you eat this, usually you poke a little hole on the side. No, sorry, it's a joke. It's a terrible joke.
It's really juicy. See, it can come out. It's pretty good. A little bit too much wine somehow, I feel.
I'm a French person.
That's why. The meat should be like 70% lean and 30% fat.
It's very lean. Okay, so
Very
it needs
lean.
more fat.
This is more like 20-80
28.
ratio, like 20% of fat. The texture of the skin, the wrapper, is very good.
It's good?
Yes. It's just a matter of the making the pleats on the top, or
Yes.
pile up so many doughs.
I'm gonna practice, to be honest. I'm gonna practice more. This is the first time I make soup dumpling today.
For the first time, you can make the soup dumpling from head to toe. Marvelous. Guys, come to taste it when it's still hot.
One?
Yeah.